guys, today I'm gonna go in here. I'm so excited. We're getting a parrot today.
Hello, welcome to adoptapet.com. How are you today?
Good.
This is a rescue we have. It's a 3-year-old named Pumpkin.
Oh, she's so cute.
Have a seat. I just wanted to show you what we have for you today. This is adoption for a blue bird that's age 3 years old. The name's Blue. It will be on behalf of adoptapet.com. And this is your certification to take care of it. So I'll be back with Blue.
Hey, Pumpkin.
He's a little sleepy. He has breathing trouble, so you'll have to take care of him, but here he is. He's a macaw parrot.
He's so cute.
And in here is some of his breathing treatments that you'll have to take care of him. And he's silly because he likes to go in his breathing machine. So if I could have you just sign here that you're going to adopt him, that would be great.